Hey guys, this is the latest version of the Bob and Brad massage gun, which now comes with a heat and cooling head. Let's check this out. So basically, Bob and Brad are two physical therapists that have designed this compact massage therapy gun. This is the latest version that comes with a heat and cooling head attachment. To be honest, I've used many massage guns in the past and they were quite bulky and not so comfortable on the grip too. Right, inside the box you will get this hard carry case. Some rubber seals, not sure what they're for. A charge cable. Instruction manual. Should be pretty straightforward to use. Super lightweight, weighs about 400 grams. Long press to turn on or off. Now this foam attachment is mostly used on all muscle pains. The rest are designed to target specific pains around your body. Strong connector grip. 5 power levels. The main feature is this hot and cold head attachment. A 900 mAh rechargeable battery built in. Two levels of ice and 2 levels of heat. Works instantly whether on hot or cold. It's an amazing little gadget to have on its own. Heat yourself up or cool yourself down. The faceplate helps to adapt the temperature, so don't worry, it won't burn your skin. Just keep the head attachment moving along the skin. You can see how gradually it picks up the heat. On the highest level of the cold feature, it feels like you're touching on an ice cube. And on the highest heat, it feels like you got your hands wrapped up around a mug of hot drink. That's the best I can describe it. More information can be found on their Amazon shop. Personally myself, I'm impressed with this heat and cold gadget alone. So guys, if you suffer from cramps, muscle tension, want to keep that blood circulation going, and you guys don't have anyone to massage you, well, now you can do it yourself. Take care, peace.